band began recording the album, and the sessions were going well when we took a Christmas break. I went home to Michigan and then back to LA. On New Year's Eve 1999, Flea, John and I went to the Playboy Mansion for their party. It really wasn't our scene. It was tacky being in the land of a million fake tits. We weren't into the Charlie Sheen, Fred Durst thing at that stage of our career. Plus, I was missing Claire. We had planned to be on the phone for the dawning of the new year, but when I called, something in her voice sounded amiss. She was out on a ferry boat in New York Harbor. Here was this person who'd expressed her true love for me, and I'd done likewise, so there was an obvious heart connection between us. But she wasn't all there on the phone. It was disquieting. Thank you, good night.